We are heading to a night meet. Haven't been to a night meet in a while. Yo, what is poppin'? Put in the address here. So we're heading to a night meet with the boys over at BMC, BMW Motor Group. I wonder if I'm allowed. I mean, it's a BMW, right? But anyways, we're gonna meet up with my buddy Jay, who has got the black M4. He's been on the channel a couple times. And then we are heading to a BMC meet over in Concord. And yeah, it should be pretty dope. These guys, they like to f around a little bit. They like to hoon around, so we're gonna have some fun tonight. Haven't been to a night meet in a minute. Bunch of homies in the spot. Supra, 335, 1 Series. Some M4s over here. I don't know where we're going, or what we're doing. What the fuck? Everyone's bobbing and weaving over the potholes. All the low cars. Outside. What's up, bro? talking about the Alpina that I raced, and he got all mad at me.
Oh no, I wouldn't
got all the boys out here, dude. Look at how bright the reverse lights are on those. That little like fourth brake light, bright as shit. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Everybody. Whole gang. Oh, you were right behind us?
Yep.
Yeah, that threw me off completely. I was like, yo.
Got by. Wildin', dude. Got a whole bunch of people out here. It'll be a wild night. A whole bunch of people. It's got to be over 50 BMWs here, man. That is crazy. Oh my God. Give them what they want. Pulling up to the spot. This is dope, man. Whole bunch of Beamers, got a garage. It's gonna be a good time. Too many people parking out here. I got here in the deceiving 1 Series. Making like 700 wheel. This is the midnight surprise that you get from this little guy. Just normal looking 1 Series. Looks normal. Looks normal. I'll just say it's really fast. I mean, I think people know you got a big ass turbo, but I won't say anything else.
I mean, like, you can tell all the secrets in the world, but it's an action too.
Yeah, yeah. Good looking build, man. Big Daddy. Done. GTS the world. Oh, looks good on the 4 Series. It's my first time seeing the GTS hood on black on a 4 Series. It's really good. Dude, and his 335 is sick. He just got this wrapped. Oh my God. Clean. Clean. It was black before. And I like this purple, man. This is dope. The whole gang. Alright, so let me show you guys this garage. Dude, this garage is fired up. For 1 Series gang, clean. I dig it. Oh, saw, dude. It's my brother. F30. 328 too. On some 437s. Okay. What a sick setup. I dig it. Do it for tonight's video, guys. Cruising back home, got like 45-minute drive ahead of me. Big shout out to all the BMC guys. Thank you for making me feel right at home with my Toyota. Anyways, I'm gonna call it a night, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.
Trees in the cars, brownstone buildings with the kids on the porch. Murals on the walls for the ones that we lost. Bodegas on the corner, let me see what's in store. Subway stations with the maps in the cars. Summer cookouts, uncle got the sandals on. Statue of Liberty, we holding up the torch. If they ask where I'm from, tell them this is New York. We from the home of the biggie, people blowing they ciggies. And these girls going wild cause they flashing they titties.